In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Slack and enable automatic status syncing. By the end, your Slack status will update based on your calendar events, so teammates can instantly see when you're in a meeting or heads down. First, open Slack on desktop or web and look at the left sidebar. Click the Tools option. Depending on your workspace, this might appear under More, or it may be labeled Automations. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. You're in the right place if you can get to the Apps section from here. Next, choose Apps. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and select the official Google Calendar app from the results. This is the integration that connects your calendar to Slack so you can receive reminders, view your schedule, and most importantly for today, sync your status automatically. Once the app opens, switch to the Home tab inside the Google Calendar app view. Click Connect an Account. A Google window will open asking you to sign in. Choose the Google account you use for work, then follow the prompts. You'll be asked to grant permission so Slack can read your calendar and update your status. Review the details, then approve to continue. If a pop-up doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up blocker. Also, if you're not seeing the option to connect, your workspace might require admin approval for apps. In that case, request access and then return to this step. After your account is connected, stay on the app's Home tab and open Settings. Look for the option to enable status syncing and turn it on. This feature automatically updates your Slack status when you have events on your calendar, such as marking you as in a meeting when your event is set to busy. It helps coworkers know your availability without manual updates. Give it a moment after toggling it on, and consider creating a quick test event on your calendar to confirm the status changes in Slack. If you don't see an update right away, refresh your Slack view or check that the event is set to busy, not free. That's it. You've installed the Google Calendar app, connected your account, and enabled automatic status syncing. From now on, your status will reflect your calendar, making collaboration smoother and interruptions less likely. If you ever need to pause syncing, revisit the app's settings and toggle it off, or disconnect the account from the same Home tab. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Slack workspace.